press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So next one, if a perfect square has n digits, if a perfect square has n number of digits or n digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even and n plus 1 divided by 2 digits, if n is odd. If a perfect square has n number of digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even and n plus 1 divided by 2 digits if n is odd. For example, let us consider a perfect square 81. There are 2 digits here, ones place and tens place there are 2 digits. If a perfect square has 2 digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even. The number of digits in 81 is 2. There are 2 digits in this number, so number of digits is equals to 2. 2 is an even number. We know that 2 is an even number. So here condition is if n is even, then n by 2 digits. This means n divided by 2 is equals to 2 by 2. 2 ones are, that is equals to 1. ಏನಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ 81 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. 9 9s 81 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 81 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 9. 9ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅವರು ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. First 81, there are 2 digits, 2 is an even number. So 2 even number ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ n by 2 formula apply ಮಾಡಿ, n is 2, 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Next, let's start exercise 6.4. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. First one, 2304. 2304. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು, make a pair of the numbers starting from the ones place. Here 4 is in the ones place, so 4 ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. 4 and 0 1 pair, 3 and 2 another pair. Make a pair of digits starting from the ones place. Next, find the square root of 23. Find the nearest square root of 23. So nearest number ಯಾವುದು, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ನಂಬರ್ 23 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 23ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25 are 2 nearest perfect squares to the number 23. So less than or equal to 23 ಇರಬೇಕು. So 16, let us consider the number 16. 4 4s are 16, subtract ಮಾಡಿ, 23 minus 16 is 7. Next, borrow this next set of numbers, that is 0 and 4. Now the new dividend is 704. Next, double the quotient, that is 8, and leave a blank to its right. 4 is in the units place, so we have to multiply 2 here. 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. 164 ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 704. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 8 8s are 64. 88 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 and 6 carry. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. So subtract 704 minus 704 is 0. Therefore, square root of 2304 is equals to 48. Root 2304 is 48. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಿಂದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 4 and 0 1 ಪೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 and 2 is ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 23ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ 23. ಸೊ 4 4s are 16. 23 minus 16 is 7. Next, borrow the second set of numbers, that is 0 4, and now we getting new dividend, that is 704. Next, double this quotient, that is 8, and leave a blank to its right. Now illi ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 2ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ 8ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ 8 ಹಿಯರ್. 8 8s are 64, 4 and 6 carry, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70. So 704 minus 704 is 0. Therefore, root of 2304 is 48. Next one, 4489. $4,489. Make a pair of numbers 9 and 8, one pair, and 4 and 4 is another pair. Next, nearest perfect square number for this number, that is 44. 6 6 are 36 and 7 7s are 49 is greater than 44. So we consider 36 as perfect square, that is 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36 is 8. Next, borrow the second set of numbers, that is 89. Now the new dividend is 889. Next, double this quotient, that is 12, and leave a blank to its right. Next, 9 is in the ones place. So if we want 9 in the units place, we have to multiply 3 or 7. Howda? 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 369 ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 889. ಸೊ 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 9 and 4 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 8 and 1 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have to multiply 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 8, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. 889 minus 889 is 0. Therefore, square root of 4489 is 67. Place a bar on each pair of numbers starting from the units place. So 9 and 8 is one pair and 4 and 4 is another pair. Next, 44 is there. nearest or equal perfect square number to 44 is 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36 is 8, and next borrow the second pair of numbers, that is 89. The new dividend is 889. Next double this quotient, that is 12. Next 9 is in the ones place, so 7 7s are 49, 9 and 4 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 18. Next 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. 889 minus 889 is 0. Therefore, root of 4489 is 67. Next one. $3,481. First, we have to make a pair of numbers starting from the ones place, 1 and 8, 4 and 3. Nearest perfect square for the number 34. 5 5s are 25 and 6 6 are 36. So 25 is the nearest perfect square for the number 34, that is 5 5s are 25. Subtract this, 34 minus 25 is 9. Next borrow the second set of numbers, that is 81. Double this quotient, 10. 1 is in the units place, so we have to multiply either 1 or 9. If we multiply 1 here, we will again get 101. So let's check for 9. 109 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. 981. So multiply 9. 9 9s are 81 and 9 1s are 9. 981 minus 981 is 0. Therefore, square root of 3481 is equals to 59. Place a bar on each pair of digits starting from the units place. So 1 and 8 is one set, 4 and 3 is another set of numbers. Next 34 is the nearest perfect square is 25, that is 5, square of 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtract 34 and 25. 34 minus 25 is 9. Borrow the second set of number, that is 81. So the new dividend is 981. Next double this quotient, that is 10. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. 981 minus 981 is 0. Therefore, the root of 3481 is 59. Next one, 529. 529, starting from the ones place, let's place a bar. 9 and 2 is one set and 5, let's add 0. So find 0 is another set. The value doesn't change if we add 0 to the left of this number. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 829. If we add 0 behind 8, then the value remains same. This will be pronounced as 289 only. So 0 na left side of the number ge add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ value ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 289 as it is ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 529. Next 5 ಇದೆ. So nearest perfect square for 5 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Borrow the second set of numbers, that is 29. Double this quotient, 4, and leave a blank to its right. 9 ide. Either you should add 3 or 7. 43 into 43. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So 3 na multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 129 minus 129 is 0. Therefore, the root of 529 is equals to 23. Root of 529 is 23. Next one, 3249. 3249. Place a bar starting from the ones place, 9 and 4, 2 and 3. Nearest perfect square for this number, 32 is 6 6 are 36 and 5 5 are 25. 25 is the nearest perfect square, 5 5 are 25. 32 minus 25, 7. Next, borrow the second set of number, that is 49. Next, double this, 10, leave a blank. 9 is there, so we should multiply 7 or 3 here. 107 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 749. So multiply 7, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. 749 minus 749 is 0. Therefore, root of 3249 is 57. Next one. $1,369. 1,369. Same procedure. Place a bar on every pair of digits starting from the ones place, 9 and 6, 3 and 1. Perfect square, nearest perfect square for this number. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So nearest perfect square is 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. 16 is greater than 30, so let's consider 9. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4, 469. Next, double the quotient, that is 6. 9 is in the ones place, so we have to multiply 3 or 7. 63 into 3, 3 3s are 9 and 6 3s are 18, 189. So 67 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. Next, 7 6 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4 is 48. So 489. Sorry. 7 sevens are 49 and next 46, 42 plus 4 is 46. So if we multiply 67 into 7, 469, subtract this, we will get 0. Therefore, root of 1369 is equals to 37. Next one. $5,776. Place a bar on each pair of numbers starting from ones place. 6 7 and 7 5 are the pairs of numbers. Nearest perfect square for the number 57. 7 sevens are 49 and 8 eights are 64. So 49 is the nearest number to the number 57, that is 7 sevens are 49. 57 minus 49 is 8. Borrow the second set of numbers, that is 76. Double the quotient 14. If you want 6 here, either you should multiply by 6. 146 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Next, 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 is 8. 876. 876. So 0. Therefore, root of 5776 is 76. Place a bar on each pair of the numbers starting from the unit place. So 6 7 and 7 5 are the pair of numbers. Next, nearest perfect square for the number 57 is 49. So 7 sevens are 49. 57 minus 49 is 8, and borrow the next set of numbers, that is 76. The new dividend is 876. So double this quotient 14. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 3 carries. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is 27, and 2 carries. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 is 8. 876 minus 876 is 0. Next one, 7921. Place a bar on pair of digits starting from the ones place. So 1 2 9 7 are the pair of numbers. Nearest perfect square for the number 79 is 8 8s are 64 and 9 9s are 81. 64 is the nearest number, so 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64. 79 minus 64 is 15. Next, borrow the next set of numbers, that is 21. The new dividend is 1521. Double the quotient 16. Units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. Multiply with 9. 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 and 8 carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. And 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1521. So multiply by 9, will get 1529. Subtract this, will get 0. So the root of 7921 is 89. Next one. $576. Place a bar on each pair of digits starting from the units place. 6 and 7 is one pair, 5 and 0 is another pair. Nearest perfect square number for 5 is 4. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 4 is the nearest number, so 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Borrow the second set of number 76. The new dividend is 176. Double the quotient 4. Next, units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ. So 4 4s are 16 or 6 6 are 36. 4 check ಮಾಡಿ first 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 and 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 176. So multiply by 4. 4 into 44 is 176. Subtract this, will get 0. Therefore, root of 576 is equals to 24. Next one. Thousand 24 place a bar on each pair of numbers starting from the units place, that is 4 and 2, 0 and 1. Nearest perfect square for 10 is 9, that is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract this, 10 minus 9 is 1. Borrow the second pair of numbers, that is 2 4. Then the new dividend is 124. Double the quotient 6. Next, if we multiply 2 here, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 6 is 12. So 124 minus 124 is 0. Therefore, root of 1024 is equals to 32. Next one. $3,136. Place a bar on each pair of digits starting from the units place. 6 and 3 and 1 and 3 are two pair of numbers. Nearest perfect square for the number 31 is 25. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36 is greater than 31. So let's consider 5. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. Next, borrow the second pair of number, that is 36. Double the quotient 10. If we multiply 6 here, 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6. So 636 minus 636 is 0. Therefore, root of 3136 is equals to 56. Next one. 900. Starting from the units place, place a bar, 0 and 0, 9, and we are adding 0 here, so 0 and 9. Nearest or equal perfect square for this number 9 is 9 itself, that is 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next step ಏನು 0 na borrow ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, that is 0 and 0. 3 ಇದೆ, double this quotient 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 0 ನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 into 0 0 0, subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again 0. So the root of 900 is equals to 30. So these are all the problems. We have find out square root of the given numbers using division method. Next main. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. Condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. First one 64. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 64ನ ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 64 is equals to 64 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 1s place and 10s place ಟೋಟಲ್ 2 digits. So the number of digits in the number 64 is equals to 2, that is even. 2 is an even number. Therefore number of digits in square root of 64 is equals to, formula ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, n by 2 if n is even, n plus 1 divided by 2 if n is odd. So 2 is an even number, n divided by 2, that is equals to, n is 2, 2 by 2 is equals to 1. There is only one digit in the square root of 64, that is 8 8 is 64, root 64 is 8, 8 is only one digit. So there are only one digit in the root of 64. Next one 144. 144. Number of digits in 144 is, number of digits in 144 is 3. 1s place, 10s place and 100s place there is 3 digits. So number of digits in the number 144 is 3. 3 is odd number. So number of digits in the root 144 is equals to, if n is odd then the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2, that is 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to 4 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equals to 2. There are 2 digits in the square root of 144. Next one 4489. Number of digits in 4489 is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 digits. We know that 4 is an even number. So even. Number of digits in square root of 4489 is equals to, 4 is even, then the formula is n divided by 2, that is equals to 4 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are is equals to 2. There are 2 digits in the square root of 4489 without any calculation. Next. Number of digits in 27,225 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 digits. We know that 5 is an odd number. So number of digits in square root of 27,225 is equals to, if n is odd then we have to write n plus 1 divided by 2, that is equals to, n is 5, 5 plus 1 whole divided by 2, that is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, it is 3. There are 3 digits in the square root of 27,225. $3,90,625. That problem is for homework. find the number of digits in the square root of this number without any calculation. Just test numbers ide check ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 there are 6 numbers. 6 is an even number, so we have to apply the formula n divided by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. The total digits in the square root is 3. Next main, find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Square root of the following decimal numbers. 2.56. By division method use ಮಾಡಿ decimal ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, square roots ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೇರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 and 6. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 2, ಸೊ 0 2 1 pair and 5 6 is another pair. Same procedure 2 ಇದೆ, so first perfect square ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, 1 1s 1 is perfect square and 2 2s 4. So 1 is the nearest number, 1 1s 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Borrow the second set of number, that is 5 6. Now the new dividend is 156. Double this quotient, that is 2, and leave a blank. 6 is in the units place. If you want 6 in the units place, we have to multiply 4 or 6. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 96 ಆಯಿತು. If we multiply 6, decimal ಇದೆ, so 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ 0.6. 6 6 are 36, 6 and 3 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. 156 minus 156 is 0, therefore root of 2.56 is 1.6. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 5 and 5 and 6 1 pair. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇರೋದು 2, ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ 2 and the next number is 0, 2 and 0 1 pair. Next same procedure, 2 ಗೆ nearest perfect square is 1, so 1 1s are 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Borrow the next pair of number, that is 5 6, so the new dividend is 156. Double the quotient, that is 2, and leave a blank to its right. Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, so we place a decimal after 1. Next 6 is in the unit place, so 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. 156 minus 156 is 0. The root of 2.56 is 1.6. Next one, 7.29. 7.29. Decimal ಆದಮೇಲೆ first number is 2, so 2 9 1 pair, 7 and 0 1 pair. Perfect square for the number 7. Nearest perfect square for this number is 4. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9 is greater than 7. So 2 square, 2 into 2 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Borrow the second set of number, that is 2 9. So the new dividend is 329. Double the quotient, 4. Decimal ide, so point, 2 point. 9 ide. If you want 9 here, you should multiply 3 or 7. 43 into 43, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 129. Next, 47 into 47. 47 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 9 and 4 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So, multiply with 7. 7 7s are 49. 28 plus 4 is 32. 329 minus 329 is 0. Therefore, root of 7.29 is 2.7. Homework 42.25. Next one, 51.84. Decimal ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇರೋ number 8 and 4 is 1 pair, 1 and 5 is 1 pair. Nearest perfect square for the number 51 is 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 64 is greater than 51. So, let us consider 7 square, 7 7s are 49. 51 minus 49 is 2. Borrow the next pair, that is 8 4. The new dividend is 284. Decimal 7 point. Double the quotient, that is 14. If we multiply 2 here to get 4 in the units place, 142 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So, 284. 142 into 2. 284. 284 minus 284 is 0. Therefore, root of 51.84 is 7.2. Decimal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ beginning first letter, decimal ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇರೋ number 8 and 4 is one pair and left side ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 and 5 is another pair. So, pair ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 51 ನ nearest perfect square is 49. 7 7s are 49. 51 minus 49 is 2. Borrow the next set of number, that is 84. 284 is the new dividend. 7 in a double is 14. Next decimal ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, point ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. 284 minus 284 is 0. Root of 51.84 is 7.2. .25 is for homework, and next 31.36. 31.36. Decimal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ right side 1 pair 3 and 6. Decimal in the left side 1 pair, that is 1 and 3. Nearest perfect square for the number 31 is 6 6 are 36 is greater than 31. So, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. Borrow the next set of numbers, that is 3 6. 636 is the new dividend. Double the quotient, that is 10. Point ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. Next 636 ಇದೆ. Units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to multiply it by 6 or 4. 6 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 636 minus 636 is 0. Therefore, root of 31.36 is equals to 5.6. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4489 ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ 9ಇಂದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. 9 and 8 1 pair, 4 and 4 another pair. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 44.89, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 1 pair, ಡೆಸಿಮಲಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪೇರ್, 4 and 4, 8 and 9, 2 set of numbers. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, n number of digits ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, if a perfect square has n number of digits and if n is even, then the formula is n by 2. If n is odd, then the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. n even ಇದ್ದಾಗ, next when n is odd, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ n by 2 if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 if n is even. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. If we consider 81, there are 2 digits, 2 is an even, then we have to write the formula n divided by 2. If we consider 144, there are 3 digits in the number 1. So 3 is an odd number, so we have to write the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. 3,90,625, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. There are 6 digits in that number, so 6 is an even number, so you have to apply the formula n divided by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. There are 3 digits in the square root of 3,90,625. and 42.25 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 42.25 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 and 5 1 pair, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 and 4 another set of pair. ಸೊ 42 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 42ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36 is the nearest perfect square. 7 7s are 49, 49 is greater than 42. So 6 6 are 36 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 25ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 6.4. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.